Most marketing will be lucky if it gets about a 2% response rate. So what I want to do is show you how to improve the responses from your marketing activities. The reality is, like, if you consider how many people visit your website and how many actually convert to a sale, it's pretty small. You're lucky if you're getting around 2% that actually proceed towards a sale. So I'd like to show you ways to get more of the other 98 that don't generally convert. We have a workshop coming up online, and it goes through how to basically get your marketing activities to funnel into the right place, typically your database, and why your database is so important. It's more valuable usually than your bank account because it will generate next year's sales and so on. We go through tried and tested things at this workshop, so I'd love to show you how to basically get a better return from every single thing you do. At Basic Bananas, we've been working with thousands of different businesses over the years, operating for more than a decade, and we have a really good track record. You can check us out, check out our reviews, and I encourage you to come along. The workshop is currently free at this moment, so it's a bit of a no-brainer. If you don't like it, turn it off. I can guarantee you once you jump on, you'll have things that you can implement that will make a positive impact for your business. So check it out here, click through the link, and if you've got any questions, just get in touch with us. We're real people that have tried and tested results. We have an office here on the Northern Beaches in Sydney, and so that's where we'll be broadcasting live from. No gimmicks, no tricks, just straight up clear things that you can implement to grow your business. Hopefully we'll see you there.